Jamaican TV, World TV, I eat some chicken over there. Popeye sweeter. She just eating.
I always love eating
Popeye,
chicken.
Popeye chicken are the best in this long time. But we Jamaican love jerk chicken. Our jerk chicken. We enjoy Popeye chicken, yes, but we enjoy our curry chicken, jerk chicken, stew chicken, everything.
All those chicken,
Man. Yeah. But Popeye chicken we enjoy it when we go out. When we go out at the stores, do some shopping. We enjoy Popeye chicken a lot.
Jamaican food is out.
But Jamaican food is the best, man. Trust me.
I'm gonna put some oxtail, some curry goat, and all that good stuff. Then you can water and see how to cook it. Okay? So right now, I'm eating some chicken. Okay, guys?
Yes. Just eating. Wow. I see you enjoy it.
Yeah, why not?
Girl TV. Enjoy Popeye
Why
chicken.
not enjoy the chicken?
Come on napkin and the rice. Weird family. You want to mix it?
See Jamaican girl eating cereal, eating them in chicken. Popeyes.